Well, how's it going, everyone? I'm Joe, and this is Random Fishing. Just a quick stop down here, Dunkard Creek today. We're gonna take a few casts, see what we can catch. Cooled down a little bit the last few days. Hoping these smallies will be biting. Had some pretty good thunderstorms go through earlier today. Thought the creek might be up a little higher. It's actually still pretty low. Little off color, but that should get the fish biting. I'm gonna head on downstream here and try to find a little deeper water. Now this looks like a fishy spot. There we go. There we got something. You're a little smallie on that old Ned rig. Put him back. Ah, great, here comes the rain. I thought they said it was done for today. That's all right. Still gonna fish. I don't think the fish seem to mind too much. Gotta love it. I think it's letting up already. Just a quick little downpour. Just enough to get me soaked. Yeah, it's raining, sun shining. Gotta be a rainbow somewhere. Only problem, fish aren't biting. Wouldn't mind it so much if I was catching something. There we go. Oh, they got something big on there. Oh, I have no idea what we got. I don't think it's a bass. What the? Oh, it is a nice smallie. Oh. Huh, it was a nice smallie. Arr. Well, at least the rain stopped. Let's try this again. Switched over to the spinnerbait. Got a real little smallie there. Put him back. There we go. Little rock bass that time. Oh, put him back. I'd like to head on down a little further, but looks like pretty rough walking down through there. I think we're gonna head on back up the other way. Well, it's been tough this evening. Only caught a few. I guess you can't catch them every time. One last thing to try before I go though. That old trout worm, or a trout magnet jig head. See if we can't catch a few rock bass or something. There we go. Actually got a pretty nice smallie on that. Fat little guy. Let's put him back. Well, wasn't a whole lot going on over there, so we took a ride on over here to Whiteley Creek. Gonna take a few casts down here, see if we can't catch something. There we go. That's a little bass. Got a little smallmouth. Put him back. Big old tree right there. You live inside of that one. There we go. A little smallie. Put him back. There we go. A little bluegill. Put him back. Hey. Another bluegill. They're fun to catch. Especially when nothing else is biting. We'll take them. Crazy little blue. Oh, something different that time. We got a little bass. Got a little smallmouth. Easy, buddy. There he is. Had a little minnow he come out of his mouth. See what he's been eating. Put him back. There we go. A little bigger one that time. Oh yeah. Chunky little creek smallmouth. Put them back. The old white covered bridge. We're gonna head on down there below and take a few casts. There we go. Little smallmouth. Put them back. Another bluegill. Put them back. It's getting really dark. It's gonna rain any minute now. Let me catch at least one good one before the rain comes. Come on, fish. There we go. We got a good one this time. Oh yeah. Finally hooked into a decent one. Good looking smallmouth right there. Come on up here, pal. Oh yeah. Oh, the old wacky rig Senko. Good looking creek smallmouth right there. Let's put them back. Well, the rain's really starting to come down now. I think I'm going to get on out of here. Got a few down at the other creek, a few here. Not a whole lot, but it was good just to get out. Haven't been out in a while. Get out, take a few casts. To get that one real nice smallie there at the end. I'm going to head on out of here. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time on Random Fishing.